You were talking about your ministers. Well, when you did the cabinet reshuffle recently, you dropped 5 ministers, you appointed 7. Now, many Nigerians thought this was too little, too late. Do you agree with that assessment? And you were asking that we should show you the example of one minister. Take Minister Wike of the Federal Capital Territory. He is the most controversial minister in your cabinet. And in recent times, Nigerians have been crying out that he's grabbing land, he's demolishing buildings, he's acting beyond his powers. Are you concerned that Wike could become a political liability for you?
He's a good man. Wike is a performing minister. Nigeria lacks compliance, period. We don't pay our ground rent on time. We don't calendarize things to do. We see compliance as inconveniences. I doff my hat for him.
The cabinet